Good morning, everyone. This is Evangelist Gabriel. Today I want to show you how to use the AIPCA 2023. I've seen some comments, people asking for guidance on how to use it, and briefly today I'll just show you how to use the ChatGPT feature, which is available on Google Play Store. So just open the AIPCA app. You'll see this tab that is written spiritual quiz. Click on it. You'll see this part known as message. You'll just type your question. Like for instance, I may write, what was the origin of Jesus Christ? Once you've typed that, just click the arrow that shows the send, and the feature will just show you that according to Christian belief, Jesus Christ it will generate everything that is needed. You can stop it. Like for instance, I want it to stop there. Nimeshamaliza. So you can read this. Like according to Christian belief, Jesus Christ is considered to be the Son of God and the second person of the Holy Trinity. The origin of Jesus can be traced back to the concept of incarnation, which is believed that Jesus, which is the belief that Jesus, being fully divine, descended from heaven and took on human form through his birth to the Virgin Mary in Bethlehem. And you can read the rest of the story. So you can ask just anything that you want to know about the Bible and in reference to Christianity. Like for instance, I can type here, I have a group of youths in my church. Kindly advise me on how to make them active in church for spiritual growth, and then type send. So the feature will just start typing for you, all the available ideas that you can use, for instance, and it's they are being put in an analogical order. Let's stop there. So you can see, like in the first bullet, it says that build relationships, establish meaningful connections with youth, spending time talking with them. And you can see there's a lot. Provide opportunities for involvement, foster a safe and inclusive environment, offer relevant teachings and discussions, mentorship and guidance, and so much more. So for instance, if you don't want maybe for instance you've searched something that you seems to be maybe the one that seems to be very private to you, you can come here to settings and click delete chat. So it will prompt you and say delete, so it will remain now iko clear hivyo. So there is nothing that will be left on your app that maybe mtu akikuja kuangalia ataona Gabriel alikuwa na search this and that, so you can have. So that is all for today. Keep your comment alive. Tell me what you'd like to know, and other tutorials are coming on the way. Thank you very much. Continue downloading and sharing the app, and may God bless you.